Now, I absolutely love my Sony ZV-1. While it's been awesome having something so compact yet so powerful just in my pocket, I do wish it was a little bit more versatile. And what I mean when I say more versatile, just the fact that the field of view is quite narrow when you're kind of holding it about an arm's length. So I went to Amazon and I went to YouTube to try to find a product that could kind of help me with this, and was able to find something. So in today's video, we'll go ahead and take a look and see what I picked up and what the difference is. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rip this, the normal Amazon packaging. And here it is, toss it off to the side. This is the Ulanzi, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's the wide angle and macro lens adapter for the Sony ZV-1. So this is gonna kind of, like I said, give you a little bit more versatility, meaning you'll have a more wide viewfinder as well as you have the access to a macro lens as well. So we'll definitely be playing around with that, but let's get into the box and see what we get here. I think I only need to cut that side. Got some plastic there, toss that off to the side. Yep, so WL1, additional wide angle lens for camera. So let's go ahead and get into it. And like I said, this one had a ton of great reviews on YouTube. I actually kind of made my mind up on it from a YouTuber. He has probably the most Z1 coverage or ZV-1 coverage of any YouTuber, Vic Berry. So I'm definitely gonna leave his channel link down in the description below. Check him out. The man is legendary when it comes to ZV-1 content. I was able to figure out so much with this camera thanks to his videos. So upon opening, you get obviously the instruction manual. We're definitely gonna be using this because we wanna make sure we don't break anything. And then right here at the top, you have the glass itself. So wide angle macro, 52 millimeter. Go ahead and twist this and you can hear that. This thing is heavy. It's metal. All right, so you pull that off and there's your glass right there. I'm not gonna do too much with that because I wanna make sure I don't break anything. And like I said, this offers just some great versatility for not a crazy price. This is on Amazon for about 50 bucks. So it's not too expensive. And then that's the macro side. So you kind of have the best of both worlds. You're gonna get your macro lens, you have your normal wide, which is just the normal ZV-1, and then you have ultra wide if you need to go wider while you're out vlogging or whatever the case may be. Pushing those off to the side. Here in the box, this is the adapter mount. So you actually take this piece here and you actually mount it onto your ZV-1, and it comes with a kind of cleaning cloth for your lens too, which is really, really cool. And here is the kind of sticky adhesive. So we'll definitely make sure that we apply that correctly. We don't want to mess up our camera. And you have some more here, and then this is the actual mount. So you actually mount this to the ZV-1, and then you put your attachment, directly here on it. So like I said, that's pretty much everything that is here in the box, nothing else, just some nice kind of foam material to kind of secure the package, which is always nice, just in case Amazon throws it at your door or whatever the case may be. So, but like I said, guys, that's it for the unboxing portion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward in time and give you guys some footage so you can see exactly what it looks like. As always, I'll make sure to label what video is with what lens. That way, no matter where you are watching it, you can go ahead and know exactly where you're at. So let's go ahead and roll the footage. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the ZV-1 without the wide angle. And right now I'm holding it at about arm's length out. So like I said, it's really not super narrow. I'm going to add on the wide adapter, and then we'll be able to see exactly how much extra kind of real estate we get. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'll go ahead and switch over to the wide angle lens now. Be back in just a moment. All right guys, so here we go with the ultra wide adapter. So as you can see, you're getting a ton more real estate here. I'm holding it from the same distance. So just taking a walk here so you guys can see. Like I said, it's definitely wider. There's the misses there in the back. So it's definitely wider. Also, I want to make a note of as well, it definitely does add some weight to the camera as a whole. That lens piece is pretty heavy. It feels substantial. Now, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. I'm sure if you did put this like on a gimbal or something like that, you really wouldn't run into any issues. But like I said, guys, here's the wide shot. So just let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think. Taking a look here at the monitor, it looks really, really good. In all honesty, whenever I'm shooting outside, I'll probably just go ahead and use this. I'm not seeing any like distortion or quality loss or anything like that. We'll just pan there. Yeah, not really seeing any distortion or quality loss. So like I said, guys, this is the Unlavi wide angle adapter lens for the ZV-1. Let me know what you guys think down below.
This is Phase Ed Music.
So that was the footage, guys. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, but before you go, in the comment section below, let me know, what did you think of the quality from the wide angle adapter from Ulanzi? Like I said, it's a great product for a great price, but I wanna know what you guys think down in the comment section below. This has been Ike's Tech Talk. Have a great day. Peace.